Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a messy house speed clean for you guys. As you can see, my house is a complete disaster. On this day, my husband left for work. He's out of town, so when he does that, I usually tend to get lazy because I don't have to impress nobody during the day. So yeah, my house is pretty messy today, so we're gonna tackle all this mess. I hope it gives you tons of cleaning motivation to tackle your home, or if not, enjoy your coffee, tea, whatever you like to drink, and let's get to cleaning, guys.
When it falls, I'm up all night and you just keep talking. Are you even the slightest worried that I move on and walk by?
Alright girls, so if you've been here for a while, you know I love to start by cleaning my kitchen. The kitchen is the heart of the home, and I think it's very important to start with a place that makes you happy, and this makes me extremely happy when my kitchen is clean. For today, I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's Mom Scent cleaning spray. I love this stuff, you guys. I'm still in the hunt for some more, but I can't find any every time I go to Target or Walmart. But yeah, so I'm gonna be wiping down the countertops with this cleaning spray, putting things away, and loading the dishwasher. You guys know the drill. So yeah, I hope this gets you motivated to tackle your home, guys. And yeah, let's get back into cleaning.
'Cause I'm up all night and you keep pretending that you'll keep fighting. Save the world when it falls. I'm up all night and you just keep talking. Are you even the slightest worried that I'll move on and walk right out? I'm up all night, keep pretending. Save the world. Sorry for what I have put you through. Still have you on my mind, my mind. My focus been drifting away from you. Just wasn't our time, our time. You can say what you want, but I know you hurt at night. But I tried and I tried and I tried to hold you tight. So I'm here tonight, and I'm giving us one last chance, 'cause I don't wanna lose what we had. 'Cause I'm not feeling right, and I'm tired of this loneliness. Let me prove it, 'cause I swear I will. Love you better.
Alright guys, so if you're new here, my name is Marissa. I'm a stay-at-home mom of 2 boys, DJ and Davian. I've been married for 13 years to my wonderful husband, Doleo. I'm from Arizona, but currently living in Virginia. In my channel, you'll find tons of cleaning motivation, motherhood, lifestyle content. So I hope you consider subscribing if you like that kind of content. I would love to have you. Don't forget to say hi in the comments. I love to interact with you guys. And yeah, so don't forget to click that subscribe button so you become part of my little family here on YouTube. I would love to have you guys.
So I'm here tonight, and I'm giving us one last chance, 'cause I don't wanna lose what we had. I'm not feeling right, and I'm tired of this loneliness. Let me prove it, 'cause I swear I will.
are out and you stumble in the dark. You kept pushing on, but then you went too far. When your ship has sailed and all your dreams are lost, everything is wrong, you feel like it's your fault. Just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you, don't forget it. When life throws lemons, just call on me to get you, don't forget to get you, to get you, don't forget to get you, to get you, don't forget to get you, to get you, don't forget to get you. You're stronger now than you ever been. You gotta leave now, it's time to catch the wind. You will climb up high and look through the clouds, and when you're feeling low, I know you'll bounce back. Oh, and just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you, don't forget it. When life throws lemons, just call on me to get you, don't forget to get you. Just call on me to get you, don't forget to get you. Just call on me to get you, don't forget to get you, to get you, don't forget to get you. Just call on me, baby, I'll be there. Just call on me, baby, swear that I'll be there. I'll just call on me, baby, I'll be there. I'll be there. Call me, baby, swear that I'll be there. And so remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you. When life throws lemons, just call on me to get you, don't forget to get you. Just call on me to get you, don't forget to get you. Just call on me to get you, don't forget to get you, to get you, don't forget to get you. Just call on me. Whoa, say the word. Just call on me. Just let me know and I will be. Just call on me. Whoa, say the word. Just let me know and I will be. Just call on me.
Okay, so here I'm struggling to try to put this together, but then I realized that my spray mop broke, you guys. I was so heartbroken. You know, that is my favorite for fast cleaning, but it doesn't work anymore, so I'm gonna have to get a new one. And yeah, so I was so sad about that, but we got the spinning mop, so I love that one too. So yeah, I'm using that one. And to mop today, I'm using the lemon scent from Fabuloso. I've been loving that. It's very mild. It doesn't linger too much. I think that's why I like it. You know that I'm weird about smells, but yeah, so I'm using a little bit of that with vinegar and hot water to mop my floors.
Oh, I'm bulletproof, no one will shoot me down. I will always get up again. You're looking at me so cold. Get over yourself, are you for real? Why are you looking at me so cold? One's love is now we're enemies. You try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong. I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on and shoot me down. I will always get up again. take my love for granted. Say a bunch of stuff you never mean, yeah. I think I need a minute to figure out my limits. You cross them more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking.
Okay, girl, am I the only one, or do you often ask yourself, where the hell do all these toys come from? I don't buy my kids a lot of toys, and I honestly don't know where all these little things come from. Like, I seriously don't know. And it seems like the pile keeps growing and growing and growing, and I don't know what to do. I declutter often, and yeah, so here I am just putting things inside that box. I'm not even gonna organize anything because I was just so frustrated. Couldn't believe how many little toys he has. He does play a lot with his toys, I have to say that, but come on, not that many, right? So I'm gonna declutter, and yes, I'm gonna film it because this is pretty ridiculous. A kid shouldn't have that many little toys. Come on.
To think you wouldn't be so reckless. I keep on pretending I know we better end it. I said it more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kinda toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Nothing more to say, let's just waste away. One more time is all we need. A bitter truth to face, not that innocent. We know what we did. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kinda toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Oh, it's toxic, babe. Yeah, yeah. It's toxic, babe. Come find me in the night. We both know when it's right. Babe, I can ease your mind, but I want it my way. So meet me in the crowd. Everything is allowed. Your mind is running wild, but we'll do it my way. Love is a feeling
girl. So this is it for today's video. I hope you were able to get something done around your house, or if you just watched me clean and do it for you, let me know in the comments what you cleaned, or if you just watched. I would love to interact with you in the comments. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell so YouTube notifies you every time I upload a video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
Oh, no.